Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I like to show you a very simple recipe for delicious salad, corn, ham, egg and leek. It's very simple to make and whole family will enjoy. And let's get started. Next I will chop pickles. Okay, the pickles are chopped on the side. Now I will chop leeks. It's very important to wash very careful and very detailed leeks because lots of sand between leaves. I have hot water and I put leeks for few seconds, so just remove strong flavor and it's done. Now I can drain. Now eggs, hard boiled eggs. Now chop eggs. Now I will assemble salad. First, corn. Next, ham. Chop ham. Yellow cheese. You can use any cheese you prefer. I have cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese. Chopped pickles. Chop eggs. Now I'm adding mustard, 1 teaspoon, and 3 tablespoons of homemade mayonnaise. Half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And now I will fold very gently. And the last part I will add leek. Oh, look at this salad. So many beautiful colors. Now I will chop green parsley. 1 tablespoon of green parsley. I'm adding green parsley to my salad. Beautiful, healthy, and you can see it's so simple to make the salad and the whole family will enjoy. Let me try. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new recipe. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure to check them out. See you soon on my next episode. Bye bye. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.